अरे फोन फोन Hey there guys, welcome to Dinos Vault once again. Welcome to another crazy unboxing video. I am at Kawasaki Hyderabad and we have some special guests who are joining for this special moment. Yes. And Zohair and Fuzz from Fuzz Rides. And we have one bike that has been already unboxed. The launch is scheduled tonight and now we'll be unboxing another bike. Well, this is the unboxing of the Vulcan S. You might have already read the title. What makes it so special? It is a proper, low-slung, sweeping design coming from the house of Kawasaki, a brand that is synonymous with trust, reliability and quality. So I cannot wait to get my hands on this bike, or at least cast my eyes on this bike firsthand as to how it looks, how amazing it looks, and what kind of road presence it has on offer, and what kind of a perfect blend of modern as well as conservative styling when it comes to cruiser styling this bike has on offer. So without further ado, let's go ahead with this crazy unboxing video. Here is the hero of Kawasaki Hyderabad. This guy is side hero. चलो 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 फर्स्ट पर्सन शूटर थोड़ा घुमा लो हमारा थोपड़ा भी देखो It's like an expedition going in to explore something amazing. We have so many boxes. Now which one of these is the Vulcan S? Let's wait and find out. This one? Is that? So this one is the Vulcan S. So is it written somewhere here? Let's see. Some kind of coding. We don't understand code language. Maybe the penguins of Madagascar will.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above our town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now.
So unboxing is done. Let's check out the first impression. Zohair, what's your first impression being a Kawasaki fanboy?
बहुत डालदारी गाड़ी और क्या बोल सकते हैं. Very nice cruiser look, and of course the reliable 650cc engine which I personally did 45,000 kilometers on. So it's gonna be crazy. And it comes with a lot of adjustable stuff, I believe.
Yeah.
Both upon first look and all. Looks very impressive, compact and rideable though.
Thank you. Faz bhai, your initial impressions?
So far looks like a pretty good cruiser. Once we actually go ahead and ride it, only then we'll get to know. However, the looks are killer. Seriously.
I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do like happy on the outside, weary inside, smiling depression. They think I'm alright. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have, with the people I shouldn't know. I might as well and still I'm that. It's the only thing that I fucking do like
This is the Ninja 1000. Has custom exhaust. Looks crazy. So which one is this actually?
It's an urban brawler, Vansonites.
So how much is it a full system?
No. The
It's just
full
a slip.
system, I'm planning to go for the Akrapovic, but it's not even available with the factory right now. So there's only the end cans.
So how's the experience with the Ninja 1000?
It's super. It's just next level. without a doubt.
Ride safe, buddy. Enjoy yourself.
Sure. Thanks.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will